New wheels for me, old wheels for you. Just put on a brand new pair of SIG wheels. Sometimes I forget how great new wheels, especially my signature wheels, feel on this floor. Marble floor, brand new wheels, perfect. My old wheels, which are still good, I'm gonna give to somebody in the comments, so shoot me a comment down below why you like my signature wheels and where you're from. 2 points of today's video is obviously to give some wheels away. I don't need 2 sets of wheels. I have mine. I want to give them away to one of you in the comments. And the second thing is that I want to learn a new variation to a trick that I know. You guys know the trick that I do. It's called death truck. It's like this. And I had an idea last night. I was just practicing at home with the trainer to pass it down, but not just pass it down to the normal position that I usually do it, but to let go 1 foot, hold the head tube with 1 hand and hold the bar and see if I can hold this position, which is very strange because I'm used to having my foot on the other peg to balance, but I'm gonna have to let go, do this, lean it, and then try to bring it back and then land like a normal death truck. Step by step this year, I'm gonna try to learn new tricks. And it's all about figuring out what you already know how to do and climb from there. I know how to do a death truck. I've done hundreds of them, if not thousands. And to add to this, variation would be a whole new extension to this trick. And that's what we're gonna try right now. People think riding flat is not dangerous. I always find myself getting cut up from my scooter in a weird spot. I just cut my thumb on the left side of my clamp because of the way I was grabbing the head tube. If you notice with that trick, it wants to pull me right, it wants me to spin. And obviously every trick that we learn on flat, the goal is to be able to spin it and pump it. And this is a brand new trick. I can spin the 2-footed one. We are going to try to spin this new trick. We made it. We did it. We one-upped the idea. And we one-upped the original idea. That's a brand new trick, brand new combo. Connecting it with some other tricks that I know. Super made it. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen that already. New wheels are the best wheels. Well, my SIG wheels are the best wheels. Today I'm having such a good session. Everything has been a couple tries. That trick we learned really fast. And to do it again for the GoPro angle was 2nd try. So very productive, very solid. I'm now going to film for Instagram story. It's been a little bit for Instagram. I took a break because there was the problem where I was shadow banned, where if you wanted to look me up, you couldn't find me unless you knew my exact handle name. Very strange, but all is back to normal now. When you guys share my clips or any of my posts in your story on your Instagram, it helps push my profile onto the Instagram algorithm so more people can see my tricks. I appreciate when you do that. For now, I'm going to be using this as the new Joby phone case that turns into a tripod. I'll be able to get stories more often just because in case I don't have any gear with me, technically that's not a thing anymore. So I'm filming for Instagram for a little bit and then we'll be back shortly. always trying to get you guys involved on Instagram. I appreciate anybody who was on my Instagram story and gave me all those trick ideas. Love to see it. In the next video that goes up on this channel, I'll pick the random comment to send out my old wheels. Let me know where you're from. Let me know what your favorite part is about those wheels. Look forward to seeing all the comments either way. Anybody's interested in my signature parts, my deck, my wheels, or any of the parts that I do ride, click the link in the description where it says Blunt and Envy. That's everything I ride, a full Envy scooter. Appreciate you guys coming along for the progression session today. Really hyped on all new tricks. Now that it's getting warmer, can't wait to keep riding. I look forward to bringing you guys along. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Really appreciate when you do that. And I'll see you guys next time.